Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal. With God on our side, we shall win. Let's heal. Love conquers all. I love you, and you love me.
Dumelang Luchani Sanbonani. Welcome here again to another segment with myself, Ududuzile Ngwagachili Ngishate Kamahlangu Kamabuma. My sister just told me this morning, Guti, you girl are taking all the recognition uipabantu bakamabuma. So let's rephrase him then wami. Ngududu Wagachili Uteto Kamahlangu Ngumamabuma. Thank you so much, Mdenwami, to always be there. Thank you that you always open your channel with love. Your TVs with love. You always look through your phones with love and you're looking for healing, and which is what we are doing. Like we are providing healing for each and every home. May it be umamkulu, gogo, whoever is in the home. We are here for you and we are providing healing because this is the healing room and I'm happy to be here. This is what I like. Anyway, Mdenwami, we have a special lady today, a woman of God. Ngoba nje siza ngama levels, siza ngazo zonke itori, sizokhuluma, sizopholisana, because this is a journey that we are all going to take, hand in hand, going through our scars with each other. And thank you again for always watching. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for every little love that you show me on my channel. Good news. Let's Heal Together has now membership. Please join Bafwetu. Membership is there for a lot of reasons. Maubona umam Cynthia ahlelila, there's water, there's transportation, there's a lot of things that comes for this to happen. So I really need your help. Ngicela join my membership, and on each and every episode, and then you must press super thanks. That as well will help my channel to grow. And I'm also starting on avenues of starting a foundation. And how will I be able to do that? Only by your help, Mdenwam, because this has to step out of the studio. We cannot only be here on Emma Couchini's Kulmange Healing. We need to take healing to the people. And how are we going to do that? We really need money, funds, and all of that. And if you continue subscribing, the channel is growing. If you join the membership, the channel will have money. And if you press those super thanks, the channel will definitely grow. Nyatogoza, please reshare, please share this work of God because we are here for a reason. And the emphasis is on healing. Okay, me again. Okay, let's go back to our beautiful lady that is here today, Umam Cynthia. Hi, Mama.
Hello, Mama Buma.
Janma.
Siyaphila nina.
Siyaphila. Thank you for coming and thank you for accepting the invite. And let's start. Umam Cynthia ungubani. Sicela nje usikhulise sithamume lapha phasi. Umam Cynthia sabelethwa asakhula ukuthi ungubani uvelaphi and all that.
Mina igama lami nginguCynthia Baba Ntuli. Ngabelethelwa eMamelodi. Abazali bami babhubha ngina 4 years. Ngabelethelwe eMamelodi sasuka sakuhlala kwaNdebele ngeMhawini.
Okay.
And then from lapho abazali bami babhubha bengina 4 years. Nangizwa batsho babathelela ichefu.
Hayi. Inhlobezi.
Yeah, bathelela angazi bafuna abantu phakathi kwabo mara bebafuna omunye. Mara manje bayadla boyi2.
Mara Mam Cynthia.
Dani umma wabhubha same time ubaba wabhubha after a week. Kungcwatshwe umma.
Bekuseminyanyeni.
Amandebele akade bebakha uthole bakhiza indlu eziningi ngejardin e1 ngisokhulu ngusongwani
sonke singejardin ama.
Yeah, and then bekusesithenjini umkhulu bekathethe isithembu manje akuhle kuhlangazi ngibani owathela ogade aganga or ogada wafuna omunye wabo mara waphumelela umuntu lo ngoba wathi ukuthi athela ichefu leyo badla boyi2 omunye wabhubha same time. Omunye wayisiwa esibhedlela baba wayisiwa esibhedlela seKalafo.
Yeah.
into engikhumbulako mina ngikhumbula ubabalele phasi areyisa amathumbu
ngitshela una 4 years imemory yakho ikhumbula into
leyo ngikhohlwa
isithombe sasuka
asuka isithombe leso and then from lapho azange ngisambona kanti lesikhathi bamse esibhedlela seKalafu wabhubhela khona and then bangcwatshwa ke nakaceda ukungcwatshwa uhulu olanywa ngumma
yeah
wangithatha ngoba ubaba wathi before bazomsa esibhedlela lesa wathi kuhulu wathi ngibawa ungihlogomelele abantwana laba abancane ngoba besi3 bekungumfowethu bekubona 3 abakhulu mara abancane besi3 bekungimi nongimlamako nolama mina so olama mina bekamncane khulu ngathi bekanonyaka nenyanga yena idwese akunanto ayikhumbulako so manje uhulu wasithathake
iye
uhulu wathi bona sithathe lo ngimlama kwathatha nguhulu omkhulu nakafika eWinterfeld uhulu bekahlala eWinterfeld then nakafika eWinterfeld uhulu omkhulu sesakhe uFirstborn wathatha ongimlamako mina nalo ongilamako sahlala nohulu lo layelweko ukuthi asithogomele so as times goes on kwaba nomunye wesihlobo isihlobo sabomma wathi ngibawa lo mntazana lo ngoba mina nginabantwana babasana ngiyomkhulisa
utsho bani utsho wena
utsho mina
ye madoda
wangithatha ke
seniyahlakazwa komunye yalomunye yale senikhula seni
yeah manje uhulu thina nasihlakanipha uhulu bekumuntu okholwako okumuntu othandaza ubekathanda uzimo ngendlela erarako
lokuthatha kulo
ongithatha kulo so bekathemba uhulu bekathemba everybody so wamthemba nakathi lo ngipha lo umntazana ngizamhlogomela ngiyomkhulisa ukhulu wathi wamthathe wangithatha ke yo hawa yeah what a life
Mam Cynthia
nangifika lapha ke yazi impilo zangibe mnandi ngikhumbula kunomunye wesihlobo sakhona bengina 5 years wangikata and then
isihlobo sakahulu loya
usihlobo sakahulu ngithetha ngithi
iye
ongumama and then wendrile yabona and then endre njalo angithi kunenhlobo zalapho la endrekhona yes manje omunye isihlobo sakhona sakhabonroda
yes
nguyo wangikata bengina 5 years ene bekamkhulu that guy so angithi bengisesemncane
una 5
ngina 5 ngakhuluma mina ayazi umntwana 5 years musuzokhuluma ayiacho ayibeka indaba ngendlela injalo mina ngayibeka ngendlela injalo ngabetshwa
una 5
instead of ngisizwe ngabetshwa
una 5 man
ngina 5 bangithatha bangisa komunye umama into le ngikhumbula last year bangithatha bangisa komunye umama malo bekamprofit angazi umama lo wangifaka ini la ngaphasi ngoba ngikhumbula ngaceda amalanga ngibabela ngazi bekangigcobisa ini
mara what is that
so kwaya sasuka lapha sachifta saya kwenye indawo bathi kusemotla iside lena ungathi uyaManskraal sahlala lapho
kancane Mam Cynthia mndeni wami you know uMam Cynthia just said usihlobo sakahulu loya samkata that simply means grape right I hope we all follow okay asichubeke ma
all right sasuka sawuhlala endaweni enye side leyo ngathi yaseHammanskraal nasihlala lapho uyazi umntwana naka impilo bengasimnandi bengibetshwa every day esinye isikhathi uyaphiwa ukudla elinye ilanga uphiwa esikolweni nakuthiwa
kuyelohulu okholwayo
angithi ngiphumile ezandleni zakahulu okholwayo ngithethwe sengithethwe ngosihlobo sakhe
sengiyakuzwa ke nje
yes uhulu
okholwa kulokholwako lo lesikhathi una 4 kwazi uhulu lo wazokubawa wakhamba wayangala ngitsho.
yes ngathatha umntwana kasesakhe.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yes. So mangiloko ngihlala lapho impilo khona bengasimnandi, bengibethwa, elinye ilanga uphiwa ukudla, elinye ilanga uyaphiwa, esikolweni ngiyaya, elinye ilanga amanyathelo awekho. Nangathengelwa amanyathelo, uRhulu wangithengela amanyathelo ngoba uRhulu beka berega emakhitchini. And then bekazi igama lila lokuthi hlogomela abantwana laba belingasuki. So amakhuwa uthole atshela amakhuwa uthole ke sinsikhathi bamphi imali aba uzakuthenga amanyathelo or thatha imbatho nanzi uzabapha nabathengela abantwana babindoze isikolo bayathenga. Nathi bayasithengela. Nazingakezi ngiyokuya esikolweni ngenyawo. Kuloko kumakhaza ebusika ngikhumbula unyaka omunye bekungoJuly. Kumakhaza ngesikolweni ngikhamba phasi ngenyawo. So makuloko kuya ngize endabeni yokuthi abomakhelwane bayaqala nakunomntwana omntazana and then ningamphathi kuhle angakaphatheki kuhle. Abomakhelwane nabo bayathoma benzani, bayathoma nabo bayazenzela. So khona lapho ekungaphathekeni kuhle abomakhelwane baqalile. Elinye ilanga ngikhumbula elinye ilanga bengibuya yazi masikhula musibe kunama choir.
Yes, especially you back then. Benijoyina lama choir uthola ni practice ke kanjalo.
Yes. So bengibuya echoireni. So ubhuti wange next door. Before ye choir umfowabo omncane bengiye esitolo sebesiye akusisitolo kuhle per se bekuyishebhini mara bathengisa inchebo bomawutwana.
Okay.
So ungikhamba nomntwana wekhabo umntazana. Bengidlala naye mhlana bavumileko ngoba unokudlala mina zange ngidlale. Nawe uyokudlala uyabetshwa kuthiwa uzokukhuluma amanga, uzokukhuluma ukuthi wena ngaphi awuphathwa njani. So manje siyokuthenga ngikhamba nomntwana ekhabo wange next door sokuthenga isichebo. Nasiceda ukuthenga isichebo nasiphuma ngegate yeshebhini. Ubhuta khona wangidosa.
So nangaki lapho mama sinthi
yo i-10 years bese ngidlulile yazi. I-10 years bese ngidlulile ngoba ngikhumbula nangina 12 kulaba ngibetha khona bangiphula izinyo. Bangibethela ukuthi kwezinhlobo inhlobo lezi bona baphakela mina bangidima ukudla. Ngaba ukudla ngabetshwa ngepipe izinyo laphuka la. So leso sikhathi ke bese nginomkhino ngoba izinyo angithi izinyo laphuka phakathi. And sengenzi 12 years akusakhonakala ukuthi izinyo likhule.
Okay, asibuyele lapha esitolo ke.
So manje ngiphuma lapha eshebhinini lapha ubhuti lo uyangidosa. Ubhuti lo uyangidosa umntwana ekhabo uyambuza ukuthi uyirang. Uthusela umntwana ekhabo lo uyabaleka. Angidose angibethe umuntu angamenzi next angibethe nakaceda ungibetha angidosele la imizi iphelela khona emaphelelo nemizi kune ground. So nakafika lapho angidribe ngiwele phasi athi ukhwela phezulu kwami ngibe namandla uNkulunkulu angipha amandla ukumphusha ngimphutshele le ngibaleke. Nangibaleka uyangigijimisa.
Ntsheleni maranini imhlolo.
Angibambe ene sithu kuphela ngoba phela sekuyahwacela sekuba mnyama manje. Sekuba mnyama ene kusemaphelelweni nemizi akunamuntu ongibona ko ene bekukudenyana nemizi noma bengingaholela akunamuntu ozongizwa lapha. So ngibona ukuthi this guy serious ngendaba yakhe ngoloku uyangibetha uyazi uyangibetha ngemface ubuso bami sengiyabuzwa ukuthi sebuyavuvuka. So ngithi yazini kunokuthi ungibethe akusingcono sikhambe ke siye ekhenu. Angithi uthi ufuna ukulala nami asikhambe ke siye ekhenu ukwazi ukwenza into oyifunako leyo. Khambe nasifika manje nhlanhla leyo before siyokufika ekhaya. Remember ekhabo next door nekhaya sihlukanisa ifence. So naseca before siyafika ekhabo kosaseca main road. Nasifika ku main road angithi kumnyama kuvela ikoloyi. Akuvela ikoloyi ngizilahlele phambi kwekoloyi le. Nangizilahlela phambi kwekoloyi yena usaba ukungena ngoba usaba ukuthi bazombona. Uyazi ukuthi into ayenzako ayisirehe. Awa kube kuphunyuka kwami ke ngibaleke.
Nara ngitshela umncane wena so namaplani lawo abakhona nasengqondweni.
Yeah, yazi mina that's why vane ngitshela abantu ngithi I'm a living testimony yakaNkulunkulu. Yabona uNkulunkulu ngiyamaza ngimuzwa ngubatsho. So ngifike lapha ngivula igate abo nawuyivula iyarasa ithi zwir. Igate le iyarasa bayabona ukuthi ngimi ababuzi next. Ngihlangahlangene ngibuso buvuvukile amehlo abuyele ngiyalilawa ababuzi next.
Ngathi kwenzeka ngane?
Yeah, yenzani into leyo? Ihliziyo.
Mara.
Yo ingibangele enye enga kuvudlule some weeks, ngathi 2 weeks. Ngibuya ekhwayireni. Hlangana nobhuta khona, ubhuta kaloya manje. Angidose angise ngehlathini.
Imadoda.
Ehlathini apha bekunedamu. Idamu leli nangikhumbula kuhle ngathi lenjwa abantu laba be into le emba kule.
Yeah,
So
excavate.
yeah, so amanzi akhona akachi ahlala khona kusebusika kusehlobo. So nakafika lapha athi mahlubula ungene ngapha.
Sebusika sehlobo.
Hayi bekusehlobo mara ungathi bekungabo August ngoba ngikhumbula ngathi bekusabandanyana so ukuthi bekuchisa mara ebusuku makuthoma kuba ngabo 9 so uzwa ukuthi ya ngoba la besikhona bengizwa amakhaza angihlubulise athi ngena ngapha ngingene ngaphakathi kwedamu lelo amanzi bekangifika la esifubeni and then ngijamile lapha uphethe imbatho zami federe ngigongobele ngiyathathazela ngimbuza ukuthi kanti ngikwenzeni athi awulaleli angithi awufuna ukulala nami ene ngubhuto omkhulu wangapho ifirstborn yangapha
yakhaboloya
mkhulu kimi angimlami athi awulalela ufuna ukulala nami mangiloko ngijamile so ngiyezwa into iyakhamba phakathi kwenyawo zami and into le iyakhamba ne ayipheleli iyadlula solo angithi manje ngijame so ngiyayizwa into le iyadlula ayipheleli ekugcineni ngizumsila inyoka so angihweleli ngithukiwe na phela inyoka nayo ngithi irats na ungathi seduze kwakho wahwelela iyakuluma iyabaleka so manje ngicabange lokho ukuthi once mistake izongiluma ene ngaphakathi kwamanzi ene sithu umuntu lo angangichiya la ngingafela ngapha kungaziwa bona ngibulawe yini kwenzakeleni
ngcono nakho nokucabanga khona yazi
uNkulunkulu bekangipha ukuhlakanipha ngathi kuye ngathi inyoka lena iceda ukudlula ngathi yazini asikhambe mntokosi angithi wena uyangifuna asikhambe and remember sihlukaniswa ifence
man
siyakhamba ke then sifike egate
ukunikela impahla zakho
awa
alo wena ukhamba endleleni awu
ngikhamba endleleni njengomloyi ngibhunibhunu njengomloyi phethe imbatho zami so mina yazi ngiyahleka ngoba ngipholile yazi so nasifika egatini
yo
kwasasingena ngithi uNkulunkulu angipha ukuhlakanipha via yebena baleke ngifike lapha ngibamba igate ithi zwir ngizilahlele ngibhunibhunu
maranina
igate night zwir ilila ngingena baphume bangiqale so bangatsho next nokuthi baba kwenzakalani imbatho ziphi ukomungaka kwenza bona next
mara mama
ubutloya athuke alahlele imbatho izangefence yo ngalila ubusuku bonke mhlokha
anina
ngalila ubusuku bonke phela manje into ezasezeza step by step kakhula so uzibani wangirape ngineminyaka emingaka solo ngiyabetshwa kwaphuma itrip ngabhadelelwa bakhamba bokuthatha imali trehe esikolweni kunomntazana omunye bekangixhlorisa athanda ukungibetha ngoba bengihlakaniphile darama so na
akubuliya
ya elinye ilanga ngakhe ngakhuluma ngebullying ku radio Gwekwezi ngoba ngiyayazi umntazana lo angibhula elinye ilanga wangilahlela phezulu kwamefa so ngiyazicabanga izinto ezifana nalezi ngalila ubusuku bonke and then from lapho after imveke ngathi kibo ngathi mina ngiyakhamba ngathatha imbatho zami ngasifaka echwarchwareni ye okay uyayikhumbula leya emhlophe
enoburedi
ngathatha imbatho zami ngasifaka ngaphakathi kwechwarachwara ngawukhamba ngaphakathi kwehlathi elinye elithusako ngakhamba i-distance yokusuka la yokufika le estradini endleleni le yini R101 ngayikhamba i-distance leyo ngafika ngaya kwaHulu
so nangakhike lapho
angathi bengina 14 nangikhumbula kuhle ngathi bengina 14 so nangifika lapha ngafika ngacocela uHulu ukuthi kwenzakalani ya zange kube mnani kwaba buhlungu balila so ngiyatshela ngithi ningalili ngoba ngiyaphila so uyazi ngoba umntwana nakangathola uthando ekhaya uzolifuna ebasaneni so ngathola iboyfriend but before akhe sibuyele emuva before ngizokusuka endaweni leya ngabe ngine boyfriend lapha eyangikhipha uvirgin ngathola iboyfriend lapha and then iboyfriend le wakhuluma nomfo wabo bazwana ngami mina ngingazi wamtshela ukuthi akamaralale nami wamphituhe lathi so mina angisazi bengibuya esikolweni or bengibuya phi ngihlangana na this guy uthi kimi uziberebejana athi uze kuye useshebhinini kuphi ngithi okay sikhambe selapho nasifika lapho nakho sasingene eshebhinini asingene eshebhinini kune ruby lapha next door neshebhini ungenwa lapha erubhini nasifika lapha uyangirape
thini ufuna nini
and then wena why yini into yenza why wenza so athi kimathi no ubhutam umuntu nomfo wabo mara wakasohulu nowakasongwana uthize ngane ngazithathela wena
mara nina
so that's why after ukuthi loya wangifaka ngedamini after incident yakhe ngadecide ukuthi ngcono ngibuyele kwaHulu so ngadecide after lapho ke na incident leya yasedamini
mara ubutlo sankumbuzi uyayazi indaba le yena uyayivuma indaba le ukuthi wavumelana nomfowabo ukuthi bavumtele bachenjisane ngawe
bese lengine engakhulu yo maybe ngizombulala the way bengine enga ngakhona yo hayi bengibona ukuthi nangamlanda ngamthola ngizokuboshwa so ngabona ukuthi ngcono ngizikhambele ngazikhambela ngabuyela kwaHulu so nangifika kwaHulu eWinterfeld ipilo yaba better then ngangena isikolo lapho so lesa sikhathi bekusesena middle school esidini labo Soshanguve eWinterfeld Mabopane then ngangena middle school so ngoba umntwana nakangatholi umntazana especially nakangatholi uthando ekhaya yolifuna ebasaneni ngathola iboyfriend ubaba we-first born nami and then ngahlala neboyfriend ke ngazithwala ngathi ukuthi ngizithwale most of the time mangizicabanga izinto lezo ukuthi nangathana bekulesi sikhathi benge ngizithwale because of what I've been through so mara because of umuntu oye wakatwa ingqondo yakhe iya affecteka
awusacabangi kuhle into eziningi i-reasoning capacity ba very poor.
Yes. So ngazithwala ngathi ukuthi ngizithwale after ukuthi ngithola umntwana kwaba nehlangano kwalwiwa, and then I decide ukuthi mina ngiyakhamba ngiyakwaNdebele. Abomfowethu abobhutambe bahlala eSiyabuso, ngathatha umntwana nami ngakhamba ngayokuhlala eSiyabuso. So nangisesiyabuswa eSiyabuswa B, kwenzakala ukuthi umfowethu ongimlamako wagula ngengqondo. Ngikhumbula bengiye etorhweni, bengiberega emzini, bengikhuluma ngendlini ngibavaseli amawashini. So ngilapho endlini leyo kungena abantwana abanye bazongibiza bathi umama se-next door nekhenu athi sizokubiza. Ngithi why? Bathi uzokubona ubhutakho. So ngiyakhumbula ukuthi abobhutama abayi-2 abakhulu abekho base Pitori. And then kusho ukuthi basho lo ongimlamako ngoba yena nguye bekangena isikolo bekenza grade 11. So ngiya ekhaya, nangifika ekhaya ngimthola vele uyahlanya ubulili.
Cynthia, manje in the process, because ngiyakuzwa you say ubhuti omkhulu lo abakubizela yena
lo bebangibizela yena ngilo ngimlamako,
and wenza grade 11.
bekenza grade 11.
So when I wenza grade 1, are you still even at school?
Mina ngikhulisa umntwana.
So listen esikolo ke wena so ukhulisa umntwana?
Yeah, ngilisa isikolo ngikhulisa umntwana. Yeah, akuhlangani umntwana uyakhula, and ngapha ngisukile Winterfeld, and nobabakhe uphumile kimi nje ihlangahlangano nje. That's why ngitoha emzini. So nangifika lapha ngithola ubhutami uyahlanya. Yeah, kwaba buhlungu khulu.
Njani kani ekuseni manikhamba manihlukana beka right?
Besilele ngendlini eyi-1 ngimchiye arehe.
Manje kwasuka kwamosheka kuphi kani?
Mina ngazi kumosheke phi, ngimthola uyahlanya, uhlubulile, ukhuluma yedwa, uyathukana, uyangena uyaphuma. Yo umlilo ongawulila mhlokho mara ukulila kusizana. So ngifonela abomfowethu abobhutama abakhulu beze nabo songwane bamthathe bamse somewhere. Unfortunately ungathi umuntu obeka wamfaka inilwani lezo uyabeka amlandelela lapho, because there was a time wahlanya wakhwela inraba wafuna zangatholakale. Ubaba loya wathi wamthatheni umntweni lo ngoba kuyafana. Usongwana omunye ke wamthatha wamsa eSan John. So yeah, kula mina ngena khona ke lapho. Yeah, what a painful story. Azange bangibize mhlambe bangihlalise phasi. As young as I was, they were supposed to call me bahlale nami phasi bathi indaba nasi umuntu lo siyamthatha simsa eSan John uza khona na ukumhlogomela. Ngoba remember nginomntwana usesemncane. Yayibona. So mara azange abosongwane benze njalo. Abosongwane bathi kimi uyakhamba paka impahla zakho, uyakhamba uyokuhlala eSan John uyokuhlogomela umuntu lo.
What?
Yo.
So when you expect you
cabanga manje enga seyapakelelana manje.
Yapakelelana mama Cynthia wenzani ngalo?
Ngikhamba nalo. Nangifika le phela abantu abahlezi lapha bayagula, isana liyagula. Yazi yo umama omunye waseMarapian wamthatha wadawa. Angekhe sizomloba umntwana lo, wamthatha wayomkhulisa wathi ngizawukhulisela yena. And remember ukuthi after what I've been through angisathembi umuntu. I had ukuthi kuze abo mama abayi-6 bahlale nami phasi bangiphi counseling ukuthi ngikhulule umntwana lo.
Ukuthi umama leyo muphi isimo engathi isibhedere?
Yes. Ngoba lapha bekagula ngithi namagulo la abantu bagula amagulo phela sezakhelweni lapha. Yes, akufuneki umntwana lapha. So abomama laba hawa bayazi bangikhone ngivume mara ngingaqoli mara ngivume umama lo yamthathe ayokuhlala naye eMarapiyana ayomkhulisa bekeza naye ngama-Sunday or ekupheleni kwenyanga eza naye
umama lo esaphila na
usaphila
kumambani
ngwakamweketsani Christina Mweketsani yes yo hayi na last year besimthethe bekezile asivakashele and sekakhulile sekana 80 something yeah.
Yes mama, one thing about uNkulunkulu ne yes uzongena esimeni Mam Cynthia mara there's always angels around uwe kuleso simo leso like bheka I situation yaka mama lo wa opta ukuhelebha. That's not easy. Who helps around with an infant? Ngubani ohelebha umuntu no because we all know ukuthi an infant ine problem ifuna mama lo ngathi ngambona
and leso sikhathi umntwana uyagula ne amthatha amisa edoctoreni ngemali zakhe
nembatho everything phela wena ubereka ngisho so stake lapha nobhuti manje
sengistake lapha nobhuti dara uNkulunkulu angipha ukuhlakanipha ngithome ngiluka amadoili yakhumula wakhe wangena istyle sokuluka amadoili
amadoili la
ngiluka amadoili ngiluka amadoili ukuthi at least nami ngikhona ukuthengela umntwana imbatho
Mawukhona lapha ezakheleni apho kufika into yokuthi berekisa izandla zakho.
And uNkulunkulu bekababeregisa abantu balapha ebebakereka lapha bebathenga. Bayathenga bakuhlobisa ezindlini zabo. So ngo-1991 ngibuyele esikolweni ubhutami eze athi buyele esikolweni.
Kojame kancane Mam Cynthia, for me it's very traumatic what you went through, especially the situation with your brother. So manje wena so ugada ubhuti and then ubhuti ayenzeni aphole aphumela
ubhuti abe ngcono abe ngcono athangaba ngcono and then ubhuti omkhulu athi ngoba ungcono at least bangakhona ukusala naye emini wena uye esikolweni yes nama hour lawo sesikolweni bazakhona ukusala naye ngoba kunabo baba ababathlogomelako yes so ngikhambe ngesikolweni kwenzakala ukuthi bekanenzi wakhe wenza operation yendlebe so ungathi ngoba eSan John bayabetha ngithi ngathi bathi nabambethako bamthunuka indlebe
moya ingcwele sebashayelani manje
batsho idemoni liyabetha mina ngazi thina sathi idemoni liyathandazelwa likhipha ngomkhuleko
alongama face
awa ngisamboko yeso batsho sithandazelwe so kwenzakala ukuthi indlebe ilimeleke manje and i-operation bekayenze eGeorge Mukhari eRankuwa ngimthathe ngimbuyisele eRankuwa and then ke from lapho yena afuna ukubuyela kwaHulu omkhulu nakafika lebale ngaye mina ngiphume kizo ngiqhubeke nempilo yami sekaleke manje lebale ngaye mina ngiphume kizo qhubeke nempilo ngingena isikolo elinye ilanga ngithi ngiluka amadoili
awuqhubekile nento amadoili lena noma sosukile lapha
ngisahlala
emasanjweni napha
ngisahlala ngoba into yokuthi uHulu amthathe ale ngaye bekuphakathi konyaka yes bekuphakathi konyaka and bengine good relationship nama teacher wami bengine good relationship ngoba bengihlakaniphile esikolweni so abo teacher bathawa wena qhubeka ungena isikolo no pheleni kwenyaka bale badawa wena ungakhambi qhubeka ungena isikolo so ngaqhubeka ngahlala khona lapha ekeregeni so
mara wena uhleli kuhle ekeregeni wena
mina ngingatsho njalo ngihlezi kuhle because mina ngithi bengagudli
ngitsho njalo
yes into yokubethwa ini beyingekho kimi
no but even what we hear yokuthi all of a sudden manje senifanele nibe nama slave nikoroba into engapheli and all of that did not happen akwakayenzeki lo
thina besingena isikolo ngicabanga ukuthi thina sasizwa ukuthi bengisingena
esikolweni and then nichayisele khona ngesondweni
yeah so elinye ilanga amahara phelile ngiya eMarabastad manje ngeMarabastad ngiyokufuna amahara bengwastoke eMarabastad ngikhambe nangiseMarabastad nangiceda ukuthenga amahara ngihlangana nobhuti omunye bengifunda naye eprimary. Awa siyajabulelana lapha ufunda phi uyangibuza ngiyamtshela naye uyangitshela ukuthi yena ufunda kiphi high school sesi high school manje. Hawu sisuke lapha eMarabastad lapha yabona eduze nalapha eMbhesini. Bekune green lapha before ibridge now uya ku market. Siyokuhlala lapha egreenini lapha igreen liyabe basayihlogomela beyiseseyihle
Amabhunu.
sifike sihlale lapha nasihlezi lapha yena bekaphethe ungathi nyamanyathelo namabrugu imbatho mina ngiziphathela amahara nethikithi lebhesi
Yeah.
bavela abasana abanye abayi3.
You know, Mzinti, I can't even believe this. The calmness that you have with your story.
ngitshele mina ngathi ngipholile
Oh.
uNkulunkulu ngipholisile so nasiloko sihlezi lapha bayavela abantu laba omunye uphethe isigidi and hayi toy
Yeah.
the real one
Sempela.
yeah abayithu baphethe imikhwa
Kanti bayingaka abantu?
bayi3 abayithu baphethe imikhwa iMarabastad ngithi lesasikhathi bathi iMarabastad irofu nje iMarabastad imnandi ungamthuma nomntwana 12 years ngeke bamenze next uyokubuya kuhle nje lesasikhathi iMarabastad beyiseserofo so abayithula baphethe ama-okapi lo ophethe isigidi lo ophethe isigidi lo eze straight kimi akhombe mina ngesigidi
Yo.
athusele that guy abaleke achiye into zakhe lapha
Inyathelo zanento zonke.
abalekela impilo yakhe azichiye lapha bazithatha
Abantu.
and then athi kimi ngena naw lapha ebridgeini lapha phezulu iskontiri then ibridge uyangena ihlathi ngemva komaraka athi ungena la
Lo phethe isibhamu.
lo phethe isibhamu
Bama okapapa baphiki.
bama-okapi baphethe
Baphethe iplastic leya
yomuntu
bakhamba.
loya ya awa ngingene ngaphakathi kwehlathi sikhambe siye ePretoria West mina ngibona nokuthi kusePretoria West mara nakuphelela ihlathi thoma izindlu zamakhuwa lawa wakade ene remember kungabona 92 93 ilesa sikhathi amakhuwa asandukubaleka so manje izinto bazithiye zi-abundant angingenise kenye indlu e-abundant that guy
Yeah,
angirepe the whole day makafila ukuthi yena
Lo muntu ujwayele musi.
yes nakafila ukuthi yena ukukhotsofele wanelisiwe athi kimi mina ngicabanga ukuthi mina at first ngicabanga ukuthi usaba ukuthi ngizokufa I mean usaba ukuthi abantu bazangibulala kanti no yena uhlakaniphile usaba ukuthi nakangichiye lapha abantu engizobathola bazongise police station ngoba bekungasikude ne police station
Okay.
so athi mathi ngikuphekelele angithi wena uya kaNdebele ngithi ya athi ngikuphekelele eMarabastad sibuyele eMarabastad nasifike eMarabastad net nangiqondene nalapha eMbhesini angisamboni sengiwa nangijika ngithi nangiya weci iskontiri uyabaleka weci ibhuma
Mara usawaphetheka amathikiti akho nengihara zakho nokho.
hawa zona zange bazithathe zama ngithi yena bekafuna mina bekangafuni
Yo,
indozi
mara ibhadeli ngangani leli
ngikhwela
nina.
ibhesi ngikhambe ngibuyele muva ekeregeni ngifike ngitshela umama omunye umama lo athi mathayi sizokucleana angiphe i-counseling yakhe but mina at least she tried something yabona wakhuluma nami angidrosanyana awa mara ienga yangezeleleka yapakela sengibhitha manje
Yeah, no.
Sengibhitha manje.
Manje no.
and nabo teacher esikoleni sebayangibona
No, it's too much now.
sebangibona butshela ukuthi man there is something wrong I remember ngafeyila after lapho ngafeyila isubject ebengiyithanda ngehlizwe yami yonke ibiology uteacher webiology wangibizele eroomini lakhe bekungumama umamthweni wathi hawo Cynthia uzongitshela kuhle kwenzakalani ngawo wena ngikwazi uso wafeyila hawa mara zange ngimtshele bengasathembi umuntu azange ngimtshele umama loyi ngase ngamtshela ukuthi hayi man yazi ekhaya yazi situation yami hloga abazali man yabo bhutami ngabamba lapha ngayeke
wangamuphi reason yona
yes zange ngimtshele ngoba angisathembi umuntu kakhulu angibizwa ngenrwele ngibizwa umloyi lo wabulala unyoko uyinro wakhe wabona
wena ungabulala unyoko
so
unafo
I don't trust yayibona yo so after lapho unyaka uphele to cut my story short unyaka olandelayo the same thing yenzakale Viera ukudla kuphelile ngikhambe ngiye ekhaya eSiyabuswa ngithi ngiyokubawa ubudami ukuthi basiphi imali sikhona ukuthenga ukudla nangifika ekhaya akunamuntu nangifika ekhaya akunamuntu ubudami bekabereka ePhiladelphia hospital nangifika ekhaya akunamuntu and then ngicabanga ukuthi anginanemali yokukhwela yokubuyela eSinodlelo ngikhambe ngiye eSiyabuswa dry clean lapha ePretoria I mean eSiyabuswa A nangifika lapha kunobhuti omunye besikereka naye so ngifike ngingene lapha ngithola ubhuti lo ngimchazele before ngiya lapha nawuphuma ema B uya ema A before yokweca indlela ecabako edlulela eThabana angazi nithi umlambo or nubizana umdzweri kuphuma amanzi lapho kunobhuti omunye bekahlezi lapho ubhuti lo uyatshela yazi indaba zakhe angizingeni ngoba mina angikho lapho mina ngicabanga indaba zami ekhaya ngingatholi umuntu ene mina ngigena isikolo ene mina kosa ngibuyele emuva so anginasikhathi anginasikhathi sabasana leso sikhathi ngiyafocus manje so this guy ngimtshela ukuthi abuti akena interest ngoba bekakhuluma isuthu ngece lapha ngikhambe nangifika edry cleaner ngithola ubhuti lo ngimchazela ukuthi yazi nginesimo esiso
ekhaya kunamuntu so ubhuti lo besihlala naye le marayina bekabereka eza ngama Friday ubhuti lo athi no angaholi bekuyi Friday athi angaholi mara ngithi ngikuphe i25 iza kufikisa le then mina ngizabona mangiza mhlambe ngizaza ngiphathele 100 nyana then uzathaba ubhuti akho mabaceda ukuza uza kubona bona wena wenzani ubhuti lo yangiphi 5 i20 embaphiri i5 yesilver ngibethi iskirt esimhlophe ngifake esikhwameni mara nangiloku ngijame nobhuti loya anginikela imali something sithi cala egate nangijika ngicala egate ngifanisa ubhuti loya bekananda khamba nawe indlela leya nandakutshele itori
yes bekangilandele mina ngoba wakho wabona wena na unenstress zakho zokuloku ukhamba ucalana nabantu ujike ucala emuva awuna sikhathi leso yabona umeditate ngento lekuthwenyako le kanti this guy uyangilandela this guy ujame egate nguye bengimfanisa hayi ukuthi ufana naye nguye so nangisuka lapha mina ngikhamba kosa ngemahana ubuso kunosese omunye bengikhamba naye ngiyokweca iskontiri lapha emahana nangeca iskontiri kuno yazi emahana ukuthi kunjani na uceda ukweca iskontiri imizi le yabona kuna lapha khunye umlambo nyana so ngathi lidamu ku dry net nangiyokudlula lapha ngizwe amahlomba amababdisi inhluthu zami zivaleka ngiqale emuva nangiqale emuva ngihlanganise umukha obukhali kangangani yena ubhuti lo athi lala khona lala khona la
ibhadi bo
ubhuti lo ya angiripe naye nakaceda athi lala khona nawuceda ulale khona la wavuka ngiyakubulala ngalala after isikhathi marumu lo ngenza isidladla
ehlathini lapho awubhalelana
akusihlathi nokwalihlathi lapha kuvulekile so it's just net imizi ilikude kuthulile uyazi uyayibona indawo enjalo emlambo wakhe wabona. So hey nangisuka lapha ngiyakhamba ngilanda usesiloya uyangibona athi man hayi Cynthia wena hayi man something wrong ureg
Usesilaka sibona mara skirt desk ukuthi naso sinenkinga simhlophe.
enesimhlophe ngithiwe ngithi hayi man angisirehe mara ngizaba rehe ngisaba ukumtshela bekuba abantu laba babethako bekabetha bekabetha indoda bekangayizwa. So ngithi umuntu lo ubila ligazi uyongikhambisa isiyakuswa yoke le
Nifuna umuntu loyo.
Umuntu loya angimazi nokumkhumbula angisamkhumbuli. Remember ukuthi mina umcondo wami sewu-affectekile angisakhumbuli next unless nangambona ngingatsho ngithi nangu mara ukumdescribe ukuthi police station ngiberegile police station for a long time now umuntu nakeza athi umuntu ngenze nje angimazi angazi ukuthi ngibani but na ungambona ungakhona ukusidescribela yena. That's why kunama identity what facial identification uya now ubatshela bona badraw umuntu lo bayamdraw bazomdraw the way wena ubachazela ngakhona. Ngicabanga ngithi hayi mina manje ngiyokufika epolisheni bathi icho sidraw mina ngiyokuthini ngithi usesilwa ngimtsheli ngithi hayi man ngizaba right mara ngibona ukuthi angisi right sikhambe sibuyele emuva nasifika le hayi ngithule mara indawo into le yangidla sengeza ukuthi mara impilo bani ienga seyiwest sengine enga. I remember one day ngilwa no teacher wami we-English and manje angithi say too much manje enga le sengibhitha manje manje futhi abo baba bona-ke bese ngithoma ukubazonda kwamarehe bese ngithoma ukubazonda and then nakeza kimi eze kuhle weza kumbi uzokhamba blind bese ngine-enga for abantwini bembaji abo baba ngafuna ukuthi bese ngibazonda kuhle
and kwenza sense
ngoba bese ngibapenda ngepende wani ngibona ngathi bayafana bayafana ngoba khona lapho after lapho kunomunye ubhuti omunye ke ngahlala naye khona lapho naye ngathi bengibuya esitolo wangidosela erubhini naye wangirape. So ngathi to cut my story short ngathi nangiceda ukuphasa umatric ngabuyela eWinterfeld
khona lapha kaHulu
ngabuyela kwaHulu bese sicolelene kusekungasenankinga then so ngifuna ukuya esikolweni ngifuna ukubereka ngabuyela khona ke and then elinye ilanga kwafika emoyeni nami ukuthi akusipilo le wabe sengine-enga serious sengise police station basibizile sesiya reserve police station so but i-enga ikhona ngoba police station kugcwele abo baba ene ngiyabazonda so angabona ukuthi ngcono ngiye ekeregeni nangifika ekeregeni and then ngasindiswa ngathatha uJesu and then ngathandaza kwamarehe. I remember elinye ilanga ngikhuleka ngizwe voice ithi kimi ithi get rid of anger. Get rid of anger. Very deep bengibhitha. So then ngikhumbula ngivakatshela ikeregeni enye esosha nguve umfundisi wakhona wafundisa ngeforgiveness. And then wathi uyakhuluma utshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uqolola everybody wakwenza ubuhlungu mina ngakwenza lokho kwababhlungu ngathi umuntu uphethe umukho ungigwaza ungihlaba ehlizweni ngakhululeka kanti angakhululeki akapheleli lapho yenzakala vere ekeregeni la bengikerega khona eRankuwa indaba ye-forgiveness yokulibalela then ngisasatsho futhi ngikhumbula ngala khona langa lengalila yamarogo athamba ngaba manzi mara ngaphola mhlokho. That's why namhlanje ngikhuluma ngerape ngihleka but izinto ezangenzakalelako and then from lapho uNkulunkulu wathoma ungifundisa deep ngeforgiveness ukuthi na ungabulibaleliko kwenzakalani na ulibalelako kwenzakalani and then wathi ngifundisa abantu ngeforgiveness ngathi angekhe bangikholo wathi bhala incwadi. Lesikhathi ngizokubhala incwadi le. The power of forgiveness.
The power of forgiveness.
Yes. So incwadi le ina everything.
Ngaphakathi.
Nezinye engakazikhulumi because ama-rape amaningi enzekelileko maningi. So ngabhala incwadi leke after le wathi ngibhale le yabantwana angithi mina ngikhule ngihlukunyezwa ngabhala le ngeyabantwana how to navigate parenthood.
Okay.
Ngoba kunabantwana abahlukunyezwa bazali babo ababazeleyo. Wangifundisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi kunabazali two types of parents. Abazali abama transport, abazali bamarehe abathwala responsibility. But it's a story for another day.
Yeah, but now that you've touched it, as nje 2 minutes ngayo, you said there's other parents abama transport.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Mama transport mbelethi oletha umntwana ephasini makaqeda angasayingena. Abanye bayabhubha njengebami. Abanye bakhona bayaphila mara basayingeni.
Okay, but I think kulaba ababhubhayo we can exempt them. They are not here, you know?
Yes.
Kuloyo oshonileko, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's painful, but we can understand that part.
Yes.
But njengoba usho ukuthi kunabanye ababakhona bangasayenze fane bakwenze.
Yeah.
Banakekela abantwana.
Yes.
Mam Cynthia, angazi ngithomephi nokukubona nje ukuthi you can smile about your story. I think hence you wrote this. Ngiyasho ukuthi upholile uzima wenzile umbereko. And I heard someone saying Mam Cynthia basho bega ku traffic. I think you need to listen to the scenario ukuthi uzongizwa ukuthi ngizamthini. This guy says bengu traffic and the traffic was so full. First day ayokuthoma ukubereka. Ya imagine ke uyazibona ukuthi la ngiyoba late ngithoma umbereko, I just signed a contract, kusho ukuthini, kusho ukuthi umbereko so phelile ngoba it's not logic ukuthi ube late nge-first day. Uyangizwisisa Mam Cynthia. Then comes an ambulance. Yes, ambulance. Ambulance is those government cars that fetch people, whether may it be your home or may it be hospital. Nowadays, we do have private ambulances. So now here comes the ambulance. Ambulance uyazi ke sonke siyayichiftela ngisho endleleni. Now noma traffic ingaba jammed pack kangangani, but when we hear the light of an ambulance, we all make a way. So now listen to this guy. Like I had to replay what this guy is saying until it made sense. Uthi yena lo bhuti. Now that the ambulance is passing, everyone is making space. Wathi mina ke, a small voice said to me, follow the ambulance.
Yeah.
Remember, everyone made space. Indlele yavuleka. Wabamba bumper to bumper ne ambulance. And the mentality of the story is saying, immediately when you go through a lot, which is now the convoy, but immediately when you take your problems and give it to God,
Amen.
in this situation, the God was the ambulance,
Yeah.
which made a way.
Yeah.
UJehova wavula indlela yokuthi ukhona ukuhamba.
It's true.
Do you understand what this guy was saying? So now, in short, you to God, wathatha inkinga zakho wazisa kuJehova. A lot of people bahlele ekhaya babo Cynthia, they've been raped. Bachiye bazali babo babancane. They cannot forgive. They cannot forget. Uthini kibo Mam Cynthia, 2 minutes.
Into engingabatshela yona ukuthi firstly abamukele isimo engeke bakwazi ukusijugulula. Kwenzekile. Number 2, mabafunde ukulibalela. Ngoba uma bangalibaleli angeke babe nepeace, bangeke babe nokuthula and bavala nezindlela zabo. Ukungalibaleli kuvala ama-blessing, kuletha ama-curse.
Okay.
And uma ungalibaleli awubi nepeace and namagulo kuba lula. It's like you are opening a door ukuthi uSatan alethe amagulo emzimbeni wakho. So my advice ukuthi mabafunde ukulibalela, mabalwele ukulibalela, ukufunda bafunde ukulibalela. Ngoba ukulibalela sifanele, remember nawe uzobhlungu uNkulunkulu akaqali lo ya the offender, uqala wena ukuthi phezulu ukulimala lokhu kwakho, how do you react? It's very important to him.
Is that important to God? How you react and how you receive the hurt?
Yes.
You, Then I don't know what to say, but essentially, Mom Cynthia has 2 books. She's an author of The Power of Forgiveness and The Power of Forgiveness, Volume 2, How to Navigate Parenthood. Sizithola phi le ncwadi, Mom Cynthia?
Incwadi lezi zisesekimi zisatholakala kimi.
Okay.
Yes. Abantu
So umuntu makafuna uku-order uyakufonela and then when uyamcourier.
yes.
Okay. Someone said there's 2 sides of everything. This book, there's a side. There's a side, and they said that there's definitely, unfortunately, there's never 2 sides on forgiveness. You need to forgive, you like it or not. And one thing about forgiveness, ibuhlungu, painful. Yes, I'm sitting on this chair and I know how painful it is to forgive. Isimo. But God says forgive so that I can also forgive you. Mom Cynthia, thank you for coming to share your story. It was a horrible story, but I'm glad that you are sitting here and you are healed. Ngithokoza Jehovah, and I thank you that you took a conscious decision ukuthi uzomngamukela uJesu ozokuhelebha ukhipha lo buhlungu abakuzwise bona. Your pain, it's like enye phezu, but here you are today. She's a podcaster. What's the name of the podcast?
The Word Podcast.
The Word Podcast. Ila azongichasela khona Mama Cynthia nibeke kuhle nasemoyeni ukuthi uJehova uthi akuthathe akuqathulisa akhambe nawe step by step. Mama Cynthia, if they want the books, they need to call you on which number?
083 8564 188.
083
8564
8564
188.
188. Mama Cynthia Babanduli. If you want to buy the book, you can always call her in those numbers. And please, guys, this is not only for your forgiveness, but let's try to support one another. And please subscribe to her channel, The Word Podcast. Am I right?
Yes.
And let's grow our community. As much as you are here for Mama Puma, be here as well and go and refresh your mind and soul in her channel as well.
And counseling also.
Oh, okay.
I'm a counselor, I'm a pastor, I'm an author.
Okay. Uzwile, pastor, author, counseling, everything. Counseling, any kind of counseling, may it be now the rape counseling, may it be now the marriage counseling, wakama counseling yawayenza.
Yeah, especially la kune unforgiveness, kulangena khona. Yes.
You are a master of unforgiveness, Sis Mom Cynthia. Like we can all see Mdenwam, as she's sitting here smiley and bubbly after such a horrific life that she went to go through, starting way back, a 4-year-old, athathelwa abazali, the poison, the rapes, the injustice, the family ezimenze yona, the abuse, this story, it's something else. Mdenwami, thank you for watching, and thank you for always watching Mama Puma and watching that podcast. Please reshare this channel. Let us grow the community so that we can do proper work and proper healing. We want to step out of this room. And how are we going to do that? By your help and by your assistance. Mom Cynthia, any last words for the people at home?
Yeah, into engabatshela yona ukuthi there is no peace without forgiveness. And then God knows ukuthi our offenders are there, but okubalulekile ukuthi siqale yena sithembe yena. So when you forgive ukukhombisa ukuthi wena uthembe uzimo.
Okay.
And then let's allow him to be the director of our steps.
Amen. Oh, wow. I cannot add or subtract on what Mom has said. It's very much true. Let's take our eyes and fix them to our living Father in heaven, which is God. Then wami mina Mama Puma ngisashutela a good life studio. Sihappy lana kuno Jehovah. So if you want to come, sit on the couch, you are very much welcome. There will be numbers there. It's Good Life Stereo, and come make yourself feel at home, and do get in touch if you want to share your story, any kind of story. Come share your story with us. We are waiting for you. I love you all, Emakaya. Take very good care of you. Remember, there will be a super thanks. Press it. It will help my channel. Please join the membership level 1 and level 2. And please do subscribe before watching. Do not skip the ads. It always helps us to grow. Love you so much.
Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal. With God on our side, we shall win. Let's heal. Love conquers all.